The Spanish phrase for today's video is, please subscribe. Por favor, suscríbase. This is a three-word phrase. Por favor, suscríbase. Meaning, please subscribe. Again, the phrase is, por favor, suscríbase. Please subscribe. I started a second YouTube channel that talks about my Tesla and the modifications that I'm doing to it. If this interests you, por favor, suscríbase. We'll leave a link to it in the description below. Channel name is TTEOJ. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. It would be awesome if we can get there. Thanks for sticking to the end. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.